Now you can easily set a font color as well or change style. So import font from styles as well as color and workbook. Then create a workbook, select your sheet, set the font like this, where the color is set as a hexadecimal value representing the red, green and blue values in hexadecimal format. Then just set the data and save the file. So if you run this program, I've attached the program, you'll see we can open the file, and the color is now red because that's what we specified. The red values are FF, which is the hexadecimal value for maximum, and then you have the green and blue values set to 0. So you can look up hexadecimal colors, which are used everywhere. This is just a different way to write a color than the English language. So this is how you would specify the font color. Just say font with the color as parameter and make sure to import font and color.